Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to compress your video, how to reduce your video size, your video megabyte, how to reduce it without losing its quality. So I'm going to use the app which is called Panda. So if you don't have Panda on your phone already, let me show you the app. This is it. Um Panda. I use that app very and the app is very good. This is it here. So if you do not have Panda on your phone, you can just go to your Play Store and search for Panda, and you can also search for Video Compressor, and it's going to give you another apps probably if you do not have not like my own. So this is how, when you open your Panda, this is how it's going to look like. It's going to take you directly to your album, your video, for you to choose any video you wanted to compress. So now I'm going to come here to go to my album and select the video I wanted to compress. So I'm going to click on this, and then you can see this one is 4 megabytes already. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see here, click on next, and now you want to back, and I can see, oh sorry, I'm too fast, can switch up. Now I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you everything. Let me go back. Now go to your album, then click on your WhatsApp video. Now click on, you can see, if you look at this video, we have 4 megabytes. This you can see. So I'm going to show you how it's going to compress without losing its content. Let me play it for you to see. Okay, sorry guys, we cannot play it here, so let me just click on next. Now here, what size do you want the video to be? Is it a small size, a medium size, you can see, and is it a large one, or free to Facebook Messenger, free to email? You can do anything here. You can do anything, your custom files, you can do anything on where exactly you wanted to post it. So I'm going to click on medium file, and after that you have selected the one you wanted to create to, and if you see, it's going to change anything here. So just click on compress, and the app is going to compress the video. So let's wait a little for it. You can see the app is compressing the video. You can see it's going to compress it. If you check the megabyte, it is 4 MB. I'm going to show you how it skews the video back, and the quality of the video is not reduced. So let's wait a little more bit. We have 49% to remain, so let's wait for it. Okay guys, so you can see Panda is skewing your file. It's skewing it to make it small than the bigger files that's occupying your space. So you can just do this step for any video you wanted to store on your phone and you want to share, and it gives that large files. You can just come here and reduce the files. Now you can see 2 megabytes. You can see this is it. Yeah, this is the original one, and this is the compressed one. Panda has compressed it down to 2 megabytes. Now we can compare. You can see now guys, this is the original one. Yeah, let's play it, and I'm going to show you. Let's play it and see how it is. You can see this now. This is the original files, the 4 MB. Now let me go back and show you the compressed one, and guys, tell me, is there any difference? Do you see any difference there? It is exactly the same. So it is very simple. Once you have checked it and you like how it is, just click on yeah, sorry guys. Now once you are done, I'm not going to compare. Go back here, and now you can share immediately, and you can go back and you can save. You can see I'm going to click on save now, and you can see it has already saved into my folder. Just click on OK, and I have automatic save my compressed video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.